In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean NinjaTrader 8. Now to do this, there's actually a few things you can do. The very first thing is going to be when you open NinjaTrader, you can go to the top over here and where you can see tools, you want to click on it and then you want to go to database management. So to clean it, you can go and where it says reset DB, you can go and of course reset your database. This is going to remove your historical trade data from the database and it will not remove chart data. So just go and select whichever thing you want over here, click on reset, and that's going to get reset and kind of clean it, okay? But of course, if you want to go ahead and kind of clean all the historical data cache, you could do that as well. So what I would do is just clean the cache. Let me show you how to do it. First, you want to close down NinjaTrader desktop app completely. So just go to the X top right and then of course save it if you wanna. And once you've done this, you want to open up your file explorer. Now your file explorer is going to be, of course, if you press Windows plus E on your keyboard, or you can just find it down here inside your search box. From here, you want to go to Documents here on the left. And then inside Documents, scroll down until you find NinjaTrader 8. So just double click on the folder. And from here, you want to double click on DB, okay? So when you double click on DB, you want to go and delete the folders I'm going to show you right now. Hold down your control key and then click on cache, then click on tick, and then minute over here, and then day as well, okay? So these four over here can be deleted as it says on their website, because of course, if you delete anything else, then you may run into issues. So make sure only these four are deleted. Don't delete anything else. So cache, day, minute, and tick, these can be deleted. Click on this delete button and it's going to basically get deleted just like that, okay? So once you've done this, you can then go ahead and reopen your NinjaTrader 8 and then it's going to be cleaned, it's going to be cleared of some cache data, and hopefully it's going to work faster and it's basically reset all the things you wanted to reset, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.